A Dog Named Joe, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever. Level B, number 26. This book is working on long O, silent E words. Let's practice them first. Rose, Joe, hole, hose, stole, hole, mole, nose, cone, bone, rope, stroke. You will notice that there are two words that say hole. H-O-L-E is a hole in the ground. W-H-O-E means he stole the whole thing. Challenge words: named, trouble, thing, loves. Rose has a dog named Joe. Joe gets into a lot of trouble. Once he bit a hole in the hose. Oh no. Once he stole her hot dog and ate the whole thing. Naughty doggy. One day he went yap, yap, yap. Rose went to see why. A mole had dug a hole in the grass. Joe stuck his nose in, and the mole bit it. Hi, 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 hi. Joe had to get a shot and wear a cone. One day Joe went yap, yap, yap. There was a skunk in the bush. Oh no, Joe stunk. But he will chase a bone, he will walk with a rope, and she can stroke him. Rose loves Joe. That's the end of A Dog Named Joe. I hope I see you again next time. Bye-bye.